Now, President Donald Trump joins the Attorney General and FBI Director at the Justice Department in a speech. The president said that today we are restoring fair, equal, and impartial justice under the constitutional rule of law. And he said the FBI and DOJ will once again become the premier crime-fighting agencies on the face of the earth. White House Correspondent Owen Jensen reports.
Tracy, President Donald Trump criticized the Justice Department when he was facing 2 federal prosecutions during the Biden administration. Of course, those prosecutions have since been dropped. And today, the president revealing his vision for how the agency should operate. President Donald Trump makes a statement at the Justice Department.
But as we begin a proud new chapter in the chronicles of American justice, this really is something. We're turning the page on 4 long years of corruption, weaponization, and surrender to violent criminals. They dropped charges against Antifa and Hamas supporters while labeling traditional Catholics as domestic terrorists, the Catholics.
The president was joined by families who suffered loss from the deadly drug fentanyl and angel moms who lost children at the hands of illegal immigrants.
The last administration presided over the worst increase in violent crime in our country in many, many decades. We had levels of violence and crime, and a lot of it had to do with the illegal immigrants that came in.
Earlier, Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt told us she blames 4 years of the Biden administration.
We unfortunately saw a Department of Justice that was weaponized against Americans for their political ideologies. It was not focused on fighting violent crime and restoring law and order and public safety.
But Democrats respond, writing ahead of Trump's visit. Today, President Trump will claim he is working hard to restore law and order in the United States, while he actively and blatantly violates the law, undermines the U.S. Constitution in countless ways, and attacks the men and women who patriotically serve their country in the Department of Justice. Earlier this year, the Trump Justice Department announced it would end the weaponization of the FACE Act against pro-lifers. That law put some pro-lifers behind bars. And when President Trump came into office, he pardoned those pro-lifers. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.